Hello, my name is Isama Navarro and I'm going to talk about LGBTI human rights. Discrimination against LGBTI people undermines the human rights principle outlined in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Yet, discrimination and violence against in the LGBTI community are all too common. Homophobic, biphobic, and transphobic attitudes remain deeply embedded in many cultures around the world. In a human rights context, lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender people face both common and distinct challenges. Intersex people, those born with a typical sex characteristic, suffer some of the same kind of human or violation and as lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender people. They also face institutional violence within healthcare system with lifelong consequences to their physical and psychological health. All states are obligated to, under international human rights law, to promote and protect the human rights of all persons without any discrimination. Yet, in many countries, laws against cross-dressing are used to punish transgender people on the basis of their gender identity and expression. Additionally, 70 countries discriminatory law criminalize private, consensual, same-sex relationships. As a result, LGBTI individuals are exposed to the risks of arrest, blackmail, extortion, stigma, discrimination, violence, and, at least in 5 countries, the death penalty. But the core legal obligation of the state with respect to protecting the human rights of LGBT people include obligations to 1. Protect individuals from homophobic and transphobic violence. 2. Prevent torture and cruel, inhuman, and degrading treatment. 3. Repeal laws criminalizing same-sex relations and transgender people. 4. Prohibit discrimination based on sexual orientation and gender identity, and safeguard freedom of expression, association, and peaceful assembly from LGBTI people. Another topic in the same LGBTI human rights, we have something about LGBTI human rights in Venezuela. In Venezuela, LGBTI community is not well protected. There exists some laws that protect LGBT community, and mostly all do not. In Venezuela, it's not illegal LGBTI activities, but it's illegal same-sex marriage and civil unions are banned. In Venezuela, there are no laws restricting the discussion or promotion of LGBTIQ or more topics, but it's illegal the right to change legal gender. Also, there's no legal recognition of non-binary gender identity in Venezuela. LGBTI discrimination is illegal in some contexts. Sexual orientation is protected from employment discrimination in the most recently passed law on labor in Venezuela. Same-sex relationships are not available to adoption in Venezuela. And serving openly in military in Venezuela is lesbian, gay, bisexual permitted, transgender people banned. Venezuela is a third world country that actually is not allowing all kinds of legal LGBTI activities expressing international human rights. Is some of the other internal issues that has as a country and that has to improve and be better at the future. So that's what all I know from LGBTI human rights. See you the next time.